got a 2021-22 Outlander Sport key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it to replace the battery, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get the emergency key out of the way, and what you're going to want to do is just flick the switch over to the left, pull the key out. And if you look right here, there's a little slot. Use a flathead screwdriver in the slot, give it a twist, okay? And it cracks the remote open, just like that. And then there's another slot right here at the bottom you could use just to pry the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a, let's see if you can get that on the light or not, CR2032 battery. Hopefully you can see that. I'll have it in the description box also, and a link that takes you to Amazon if you want to pick up a battery. Positive sign facing outwards. Put it in the, would be the bottom of the remote first. And we just push it in here like that. Then you just get the back half, and it just snaps together now. Just like that. Here it snapped. You're good to go. Emergency key back in. All done. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit the like button for me.